Manawa colonial fathers. You say they came and they took all we had possessed. They have to take the abuse and they of course the present state with ancient history. Use our goodness and nourishment in the name of missionary. Lies to us, blind us, they saved us, misplaced us, strengthened us, saddened us, then they replaced us. Now we got to learn from pain. Now it's up to us to gain some recognition. If we stop blaming, we could get a better condition. Wake up world, wake up world, wake up and stop sleeping. Wake up Africa, wake up and stop blaming. Open your eyes, stand up in the rise. We'll block all life penalty. Why do we want to remain where we started? And how long do you want to stop yourselves from thinking? We should learn from experience that what we are here for is existence. But now it is time to use the same hatred to suppress our own brothers. It's so comfortable to say racism is the cause. This time it sounds same body chasing and biting us.